Are you looking for Kartra Free Trial? If yes, then this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to share a special affiliate link with you. By using that link, you can try Kartra platform absolutely free for next 30 days to decide if this platform is worth your money or not. So all you need to do is just click on the special link given in the video description. When you will click on that link, then you will see a special landing page just like this. So as you can see, this is a special landing page. I have contacted Kartra team and they has created a special offer page just for my audience. As you can see, it is showing my name here. So when you will visit this page and scroll down a little bit, then as you can see, you can try Kartra platform absolutely free for next 30 days by using this start for free button. And suppose if you want discount on starter, growth or professional plan, then you can get 20% discount on any Kartra plan. You don't need any coupon code for this. As you can see, it is already giving you discount without any coupon code. So discount will be applied automatically. You don't have to do anything from your side. So it is totally up to you. So if you want a free trial, then you can use this button to try Kartra platform absolutely free for next 30 days. And suppose if you want to purchase any of its paid plan, then you can visit this special landing page and you can get 20% discount on any Kartra plan. Like as you can see, you are going to get discount on starter, growth and professional plan. Okay, so 20% discount will be automatically applied in all plan. You don't need any coupon code or anything like this. So this is a limited time offer just for my audience. So if you want to try Kartra platform absolutely free for next 30 days, or if you want discount on any Kartra plan without any coupon code, then don't forget to check the special link given in the video description and visit this special landing page to either try Kartra platform absolutely free for next 30 days or get discount on starter, growth or professional plan without any coupon code. I hope you found this Kartra free trial video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.